We all love to have incredible portfolios and build classic website without too much hustle because let's be real, it's a tough task. But Wegic AI is here to change that. No more headache over website creation. With a single click, you can craft beautiful portfolios, landing page, or even full websites. You can even enable payments in seconds, so you are not just building, you are selling. From idea to income, Wegic make it effortless. Earning is now quicker than even. Faster is just the beginning. With Wegic, you build smarter. Its AI continuously analyze your site's data, experiments with different layouts and messaging, and optimize every detail to maximize conversions, traffic, and revenue. The result, a self-improving website that tirelessly works for you day and night. As soon as you explain your website goals, Wegic begins to work. It designs and builds a responsive site in seconds and also ensure every part is clear, optimized, and interesting for visitors. Your brand will look impressive and your audience will be engaged thanks to a smart way to the hero sections, call to action, testimonials, and image layouts are set up. Need changes? Just hit the button and start typing what you require. Wegic makes sure the section is updated in real time so your page stay attractive and effective. In this video, we will get to know everything about Wegic AI, so let's dive in. To begin by letting Wegic understand the type of website you require. Is the purpose of marketing to sell a product, having a personal portfolio, a website where products are sold? You only need to type your information into Wegic and the AI will quickly design a website that suits your needs and looks great too. Do you want to change the hero image? All you have to do is click on the button and ask Wegic to update it. Do you want the customer review section to be more attractive and interesting? Mark the part you want to change, type your request, and Wegic will redesign by itself. The AI handles everything from setting up payments to structurized content automatically. Traditional web design is broken, let's be honest about it. You spend weeks gathering inspiration, examples, having a hard time explaining your vision to designers, and burn through budgets with unlimited revision. When your site eventually goes live, you are so tired and still may not even work to bring you money. And that's why we created Wegic. Rather than struggling with all that frustration, you simply explain in plain English what you want, or you can go ahead with any language. They have got multiple language options, as you might explain to a tech-savvy friend about your dream website. Our AI will do the best, making a beautiful, high-converging sites in minutes. No coding, no design frustration, no hanging about. Imagine having a genius designer working around the clock. You don't have to beg to get revisions and wait weeks to get updates. Your sites grow as quickly as your company requires. I will check out this website and show exactly how Wegic AI works. Hello, this is Wegic AI, the website straight's magic your site by chart. Let's create our pet care website and test it. The backend looks like this. My favorite aspect of Wegic AI is minimalism and overwhelmingness. After I click create new site, it will ask me logical questions. The first question is, what kind of website would you like to build? Yes, we go. Please submit our request. It's similar to ChatGPT, expect that these small helpers do all the thinking. First, did you evaluate the type and purpose of your website? The goal is to develop some new business. So the goal of my business is to generate new revenue for my pet care business. Select the type that fits best because it's a small business, it's likely a personal website. So a good choice, here we go. A service-based website tailored for your pet care brand will help you attract clients, showcase your offering, and grow your business. It even recommends titles such as Perfect Care Wagon and Whiskers. I prefer Perfect Care, so that's what we will go with. You can now leave, it agrees. Which language do you prefer? I will choose English. This is what the future of web design looks like. It's simpler than Dreamweaver or similar applications. As a typical business owner, you want to focus on business rather than learning new skills. When starting a business, we don't always have the funds to engage a web designer, and many of them are unreliable or slow. AI and the software gives you control back. It verifies everything. This website has used to create Perfect Care in English. We click OK, let's start generating. It's off we go. Really, it's a dream. There's we are. See that? All done. It provides a direct preview of its web page. The headline, book service button, and pet photos are delightful. I like the color scheme too. This matches the one I gave it. Photos are in here and everything looks wonderful straight away. Imagine how long it would take to convert this to a designer and have them create something similar. It will take ages. We have reviews, we have more pet photographs, various images of caring individuals such as veterinaries are included here. The bottom gallery is an excellent starting point. This is typical. The most frequently asked questions are shown below. Finally, a professional website footers allow you to change your information. Switch to this view to see it on your mobile device. Return to the top. Your website must look good on mobile. You may currently receive 60 to 70% of your traffic for mobile, so things have changed over time. See this, it looks great on your phone, so you don't get calls complaining that your site looks bad because it adapts seamlessly to all platforms. Exiting this preview at the top begins the real fun. I will return it to the whole desktop. Now we have a few options. Anything you detest about this website can be changed. You do it how? Again, we don't want to learn code or technical technologies, so we'll do things naturally. For example, I may click on this photo and remark, well, see, this picture does not suit. I want you to create a whole new image for me, which AI is capable of. Try submitting the internet for free photographs. If I merely search for dogs there, I get this beautiful picture. You go, we could use this lovely collie. We can easily turn it over. Simple to accomplish. What if we want to add a section because the website is missing something? Simply select add section there. Again, we can express our preference here. I need 3 benefits of pet care, so it's considering what to put there. We have several alternatives for assisting it in deciding what to place there. Do not worry, look at that. It's done. It probably took 2 minutes to prepare this lovely portion here. It's really professional. Perhaps I could include a 4th one right there. You may easily modify any text. Simply type family and friends. Simple to accomplish. No expertise is necessary. Another excellent aspect is that anyone can establish a new area. It was simple to text, but what about drawing? We only need to go there and click draw a sketch. Then we can design whatever we desire. I will create a section. Let's imagine we want 2 of those boxes. The sole criterion is roughness. Assume we have a title here. Put it there. I will take that and add title and other title. We need some description text there. Here's another right there. Finally one. So we can save it. That's enough to begin a new section. We will begin working on it. Furthermore, create the new section like in my sketch, and the new section should be about the benefits of working with my pet care company. We are here. Simply press go. It will use that as well as what you requested to construct the new section. Here we go. It did this one like I mentioned. Correct? Section 1, 2 and 3 are in a box labeled with our title and description. It then concludes this stunning part. Here we go. See that? That's also look nice. You can pick between 3 options. I don't believe it followed another. Yes, the previous one. It is. So it did this. But I believe this, and this right here fits that criteria and provided us with what we are looking for. And that is how it is done. You see, it was way and it's pretty doable. But it's all thanks to the magical Wegic AI. With built-in SEO, your website gets indexed on Google effortlessly, helping you show up where your customers are searching. Wegic turns your site into a money-making machine on the first day itself without any technical knowledge. 2 features that are game changers here are AI forms and AI payments. The AI form is a welcoming sales assistant that interacts with visitors in a natural and conversational way. Mode of assistive chats, that structured form. It automatically captures leads, qualified customers, and collects valuable insight without you even touching a finger. In the meantime, the AI payment system removes the friction that is typical of online transactions. Accepting orders, booking, or donation is incredibly easy here as well. Just one click and can be integrated with each to the favorite payment processor. No coding, no complex configurations, no lost opportunities. As you're selling products, services, or memberships, either way, the Wegic Smart Automation, you can sit back and concentrate on building your brand, as the system operates 24/7 to increase your sales. It's not a simple website builder, it's your 24/7 sales team. Wegic empowers your business to grow smarter, faster, and without extra marketing costs. Wegic is bringing a new approach to designing and expanding a website. It's end the guessing game, manage all the technical aspects, and guarantee your website is bought smart and able to earn money right away. Wegic helps you design no matter if you are new or already an expert, and it does in a matter of seconds. There are no obstacles from designing your website to making it active, efficient, and earning money. No matter if someone is running a company, making art, or has a side job, everyone agrees on one thing: Wegic is bringing about a new era of transportation. It's so incredible that it just allows all the time to chat directly into Wegic and keep your discussion going until you get what you want. Basically, Wegic goes beyond simply making websites. It's all about making your ideas profitable, making the process faster and simpler than it has ever been. And that's wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up. And please do check out the link to Wegic AI because you can try it for free if you are just starting out. It's really pretty mind-blowing the way it's spawned and keeps things super clean. So don't forget to try it out, and if you have any questions and queries related to this video, then don't forget to comment down below. And if you want to learn more about incredible AI tools like this, then definitely go and watch this video now.